Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson XP 640 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to factory reset all settings on this device. To do it, first you need to open settings, then scroll down and find the latest thing. So restore default settings, click OK, and here you will see network settings and all settings. So choose all settings, then printer will ask you, so restore all settings including the network to default, so choose yes, wait a while, and great, default restored. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.